Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just putting my gloves on. We're going to get started. We're going to be doing a swipe today. I just wanted to show you these dried results quick. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. I don't know, let me see if I can put my flash on here quick. There. Look at the colors in there. It dried just as bright and vibrant as it was when it was wet. Really very pretty painting. I love it. This will be photographed today and put in my Etsy shop. And then the other one was the swipe that we did. And it's got a lot of gold metallics in it throughout, and this pink purple color over here is also metallic, so the whole painting just shines. It's actually very, very cool. So they will both be photographed today and put in my Etsy shop. Right, so today we're doing this long canvas. I don't know how long it is. Let's see. 50 by 20 centimeters. I've mixed up my swipe paint over here, which is a mixture of the two paints again. Got my palette knife, got a paper towel to wipe it off with. And we're going to put some color down on the canvas. So let us start with that. There's not much left in here. Maybe I can just get some out. It's very cold again, so I've got the heater on in the background. But the weather report is saying that we could see some snow in the next couple of days maybe. So yeah, I think this cold is now here to stay for the winter. Hopefully we don't get as much snow as last winter, because we got snowed in here for 10 days. 10 days we couldn't get out of our house, we couldn't go to a shop, we couldn't get the car out the gate. We were completely snowed in for 10 days, and I guess being South African and not used to these kind of weather things going on, we weren't prepared for it. So hopefully we've learned our lesson, and hopefully we would have stocked up on, you know, our smokeless coal and stuff for the fire, food. Most importantly is cat food and dog food. You know, they of course are the most important. But yeah, we'll have to just go and stock up on all this kind of things before the snow comes. And I want to put, I don't know where it is. Where is it? That one is not the one, because that one's got lumps. I think it's this one. Yeah. This is my Decor 24 karat gold. Just want to add some of that. Just a little bit. This stuff goes a far way, so you don't actually need to put a lot of it. I wonder if that's enough. Add some of that. That's a little bit dark, so I don't want to put too much of that. And I don't know what this is. We'll put some of that. And now we need to just lighten it up again. On the top, I think I'll just put this one. No, that's not very light. Okay, we'll put some more neon yellow. Okay. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we just dip our palette knife in, take the excess off, and swipe across. And I keep this on here, and then wipe that off, and keep going. I've got big cells again today because I actually added more of the Amsterdam mixed with water. I added more of that to my swipe mix, and I thickened my swipe mix up a little bit, and now I'm getting big cells again, so it is now right. Okay, well, those are nice big cells. I'm just going to cover the canvas with paint while I've got the palette knife in my hand. There we go. And now I'm just going to hit that with a heat gun quick. Wow, the colors in here are so pretty. Right, I'm going to sort of bring you up. It's going to be difficult for me to keep all of this in frame all the time. I hope I've got enough paint on here. I'm just going around now in circles just to stretch it. Okay, let's go over. I'll start down there, I think. Okay, I'll go down that way. Right. Wow. Okay, let's go down. I think I'll start that side. Okay, and last corner. Hope you can see it. Come on. It is over. Oh my goodness, the colors in here are insanely beautiful. I just want to see where I'm at here. No, you know what, I'm not even going to do anything. I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, so there it is. Let me bring you down. Look at the colors in it. And of course there's gold, you can see there. And there's shimmers of that gold throughout the painting. There's some more there. I didn't put a lot, as you saw. Sorry, my hands are all shaky. I didn't put a lot of gold. But the gold does go a far way. There's more in there. Can you see the shimmer there? There. Plenty there. Plenty down there. So the gold does go a far way. You don't need to put a lot. And you just get these glimmers of gold popping up every now and again, which is just lovely.
If you enjoyed the video and think Shana is amazing, subscribe to the channel.
So there we go, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me today as we created this really stunning painting again. I will be back in a day or two, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I'll see how I feel. And we'll do some more paintings together. So be sure to join. Make sure that you are subscribed. Just double check that you are. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching, everyone. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.